Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix slow USB drive file transfer speeds in Windows. If your files are taking forever to move, don't worry. We've got 3 easy methods to speed things up. Press the Windows and X keys on your keyboard, then click on Device Manager from the list that appears. Once the Device Manager opens, expand the Disk Drive section, right-click on your USB drive, and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Policies tab, check the box that says Better Performance, then click OK to apply the change. Now press the Windows key and the E key together to open File Explorer on your computer. Navigate to this PC, then right-click your USB drive and select Properties from the drop-down menu. Go to the Tools tab at the top and click the Check button next to where it says Error Checking. Next, click on Scan Drive. If Windows detects any problems, follow the instructions it gives you to fix them. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to bring up the Run dialog box. Type in services.msc and press Enter. This will open the Windows Services window. Scroll down the list, find Optimize Drives and double-click on it to open its settings. Under Startup Type, choose Automatic from the drop-down, click Apply, and then click OK to save your changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more useful Windows fixes and tips.